Hi, I'm here to introduce a new collapsible bow staff that I just ordered. It's from KarateMart.com, and this is a new weapon that I've never even knew existed until recently. And this is something that I don't even think that they carry at Century Martial Arts or anything like that. The nice thing is it collapses and it's only this long, you know, when it's both ends are in. Very easy to carry around. Very high quality, like solid, like steel, and you can put it in your trunk very easily. One of the problems with having like a regular wooden baton, or not baton, but bow staff, is that it's just so long, a lot of times it's even hard to keep it in the trunk. So this one is actually 6 feet when it comes out, and you see very high quality steel, so as I push out one end like this, I can use it like this, kind of like a short staff, like a shorter staff. I don't know exactly how, you know, this might be like, say, under 5 feet, right? Under 5 feet right here. So then if I want to extend it out to 6 feet, I flip it around and boom. Now I put out the other end and now it's a 6 foot bow staff. You put it next to the wooden one, it's even a lot longer than the wooden one that I have. Typically when you buy the staff, you want it to be around the same height as you. I'm about 5'5", so this is about 5'5". I ordered the 6 feet. They have the 6 feet available and the 5 feet. I didn't want it too short, so I ended up getting the 6 foot one, which I think is good. It's very, very solid. It reminds me of the batons that I have that come out as well. So these are like the police batons that come out, and you see, it reminds me of that. Like the quality of this bow staff is similar to the quality of these like police batons. So it's very high quality. If you notice how much of an advantage you have as far as range is concerned to use this as a weapon, if I have this police baton, you know, I would not be able to reach this guy from here, you know, not at all, not even close. But if I have this bow staff, I can reach him from far away and hit him as necessary to defend myself, you know. The great thing is it's so easy to carry, and then you can practice with it, you know, bring it to the park to practice or wherever. Store it in your car, and then just carry it where you need to go to practice with this type of bow staff technique. So you see some of these techniques can be practiced with this one, okay? So some of the basic drills that we do, you could come forward. So you see, that's how it works, and it's really nice. The way you put it back in, you gotta slam it against the ground. I might ruin the mats a little bit here, but you're supposed to do it like a concrete. So maybe see if I can put it in a little bit. There it goes. And then the other one came in already. So back to this small device, and then with this small device, you can still use it as a weapon if you need to. That pops out. And now I got one end coming out, and I can still strike with this one end. If I want to get more distance, put it up. So I really like it. So I put down below a link. It's from KarateMart.com. If you want a 10% discount, type in sifufreddie and the coupon code, and it'll give you 10% off. And it's from the Karate Mart, once again what I said. And it's a great training device. I really do highly recommend it. They got black, red, and blue. And even showed it to a couple of my students. They really like it as well. And we probably might be ordering more. I really like the versatility of this and how it's just a lot more practical because the way it collapsed down. It just makes the weapon a lot more practical and useful.
Let's get a close-up.
Say again?
Let's get a close-up.
Yeah, because once again, like, it wouldn't be really too practical to be carrying around like a big stick like this, but this makes it a lot more easier to carry.
Yeah, just hold.
It's like a high quality steel. And there's these grips, make it so that it doesn't fly out of your hands either. Yeah, but definitely check it out. Give it a try if you're into the martial arts like that. But it's just motivating that they've created some practical weapons for us to practice with. This even kind of resembles like a pull stick, you know, like an end of a pull stick as well. So check it out, and thank everybody for all your support and everything. Take care.